properties of determinant. In today's class we are going to discuss about the concept area of triangle. So you know the general formula to find the area of triangle, that is half into base into height. And one more formula, you know that if triangle having three vertices, that is x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, then area of the triangle formula is half into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y1 minus y3 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the formula we use if we know the three vertices of the triangle. Then this formula can be written in the determinant form like this. Area of the triangle equal to half into determinant of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y2. Since we know that determinant exists only for square matrices, so we take 1, 1, 1 in the third column. So this is the formula to find the area of triangle. Next, we shall see the problems on area of triangle. Here the problem is find the area of the triangle with vertices 1, 0, 6, 0, 4, 3. Before that, the determinant value may come positive or negative. But we know that area is always a positive quantity. So we take the absolute value of the determinant. Note that we take the absolute value of the determinant if determinant value comes negative. And note that if vertices of triangle are collinear, then area of the triangle is equal to 0. So here the three vertices are 1, 0, 6, 0 and 4, 3. So take these vertices as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y2. And we know the formula area equal to half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. So now substitute the values. Half into x1, y1 value is 1, 0. 1, 0, 1. x2, y2 value is 6, 0. 6, 0, 1. And x3, y3 value is 4, 3, 1. So now we have to expand the determinant along the row or column. So take the row or column which is having maximum zeros. So here I am taking the first row. You may take any other row or any column. So half into, here the sign is plus, minus, plus. And here the first element is 1. 1 is in first row and first column. Delete the first row and first column, and remaining elements are 0, 1, 3, 1. Take the determinant value of these four elements, cross multiply the diagonals. 0 into 1, 0, minus 3 into 1, 3. And the middle sign is minus, and the second element is 0. 0 into anything is 0. And next consider the third element. Third element is 1. 1 is in first row, third column. Delete the first row and third column. Then the remaining elements are 6, 0, 4, 3. Take the determinant of these four elements. Cross multiply the diagonals. 6 3s are 18 minus 4 into 0, 0. So next, half into 0 minus 3, minus 3. So minus 3 into 1, minus 3. Minus 0. Here 18 minus plus 17 minus 3 is plus 15. So the area of the triangle is 15 by 2 square units. So next consider the second problem. Here we have to show that a of a comma b plus c, b of b comma c plus a, c of c comma a plus b are collinear. Already I have mentioned that if any three vertices of triangle are collinear, then area of the triangle is equal to 0. So here we have to show area of the triangle is equal to 0, then the 3 points are collinear. Consider the area of triangle formula. So here these points are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y2. Substitute the values in the formula. x1 value is a, y1 value is b plus c. 1, x2 value is b, y2 value is c plus a. x3 value is c, y3 value is a plus b. Now expand the determinant along the first row. Again in the first row, sign is in the form plus minus plus. And the first element is a. A is in first row and first column. Delete the first row and first column elements, and remaining elements are c plus a 1, a plus b 1. Take the cross product. C plus a into 1, c plus a minus a plus b into 1, a plus b. Here minus c is multiplied with for the element a and b. So minus a minus b. That becomes minus a minus b. We have to multiply minus to the both the elements. So that becomes minus a minus b. And middle sign is minus, and the second element is b plus c. Next, b plus c is in first row and second column. Delete the first row and second column elements. Remaining elements are b1, c1. Take the cross product of diagonal. b into 1, b minus c into 1, c. Next, third sign is plus, and the third element is 1. Next, 1 is in first row, third column. Delete the first row and third column elements, and remaining 4 elements are b, c plus a, c, a plus b. Take the cross product of diagonals. b into a plus b. That is b into a, b a plus b into b, b square. Next, minus c is multiplied with both the elements. c into c, c square minus c into a, c. So next, multiply the outside element with inside terms. Here minus a and plus a get cancelled. A into c, ac minus a into b, a. Here minus b into b, minus b square minus b into minus c plus bc. Next, consider the second element. c into b, cb plus cb. Sorry, minus cb. Minus into minus plus c into c, c square. Next, consider these elements. So 1 into this term is the same term. ba into 1 plus ba plus b square minus c square minus c. So here plus ac minus ac or ca get cancelled. Minus ab plus ba get cancelled because ab is equal to b. minus b square plus b square also get cancelled, plus bc minus bc also get cancelled, plus c square minus c square get cancelled. So 0 into anything is equal to 0. So here we have shown that the area is equal to 0. So the 3 points are collinear. Consider the next problem. Find the equation of the line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants. So here we have to find the equation of the line using the determinant. Here also we have to use the area of triangle formula. To use that formula we need 3 vertices and 3 points, but here we have only 2 points. In matrices we can use these 2 points to find the equation, but in determinant we need one more point to find the equation of line. So if we consider this as a line and this point as 1, 2 and this point as 3, 6, and we are taking another point, third point as we don't know that point, so that we are taking that point as x, y. So now we can use these 3 points in the area of triangle formula. So the formula is half into x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Here you can use these 3 points as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y2. Substitute these 3 points in the standard formula. So the area is equal to half into determinant of half into x1 value is 1, 2, 1, x2, y2 value is x, y, 1, x3, y3 value is 3, 6. 3, 6, 1. Again, we have to expand the determinant. Before that, in finding the equation of line joining 2 points, we take the area as 0. We take area of the triangle as equal to 0. So that here by cross multiplying 2, half get cancelled. 2 into 0, 0. So the remaining determinant value is 1, 2, 1, x, y, 1, 3, 6, 1. Now expand the determinant along the first row. So here the first element is 1. 1 is in first row and first column. Delete the first row and first column, and remaining elements are y, 1, 6, 1. Now we have to cross multiply the diagonal. Y into 1, y, minus 6 into 1, 6. And the middle sign is minus. Second element is 2. 2 is in first row and second column. Delete the first row and second column. Remaining elements are x1, 3, 6. Here x into 1, x, minus 3 into 1, 3. Third one is plus, and the third element is 1. So 1 is in first row and third column. Delete the first row and third column elements. Remaining elements are x, y, 3, 6. Cross multiply the diagonal. 6 into x, 6x, minus 3 into y, 3, 1. So now multiply outside term with inside term. 1 into y, y, 1 into minus 6, minus 6. Minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 3, plus 6. Next, 1 into 6x, plus 6x, 1 into minus 3y, minus 3y. Here, minus 6 plus 6 get cancelled. 6x minus 2x is 4x, and minus 3y plus y value is plus 2y. Here the area value is equal to 0. So the equation is 4x plus 2y equal to 0. Now we have to convert this equation into y equal to mx plus c form. So, sorry, this one is minus 2y. If minus 2y comes to the RHS, then 2y is equal to 4x. So the y is equal to 2x. Now the equation has converted into y equal to mx plus c form. So this is the equation of the line joining these two points. So next consider the fourth problem, that is find the value of k if area of the triangle is 4 square units and vertices are k, 0, 4, 0 and 0, 2. So here we have to find the value of k, and they have given the data as area of triangle is 4 square units and they have given 3 vertices of triangle. By using those two data, we have to calculate the value of k. So here area of the triangle is given as 4 square units. Using that, 4 may be positive or negative. So the determinant value may be positive or negative. So we have to take area of the triangle as plus or minus 4 square units, because k may have positive or negative value. So we have to take area of the triangle value as plus or minus 4. So area of the triangle is plus or minus 4 equal to half into determinant of x1, y1 value is k, 0, k0, 1, x2, y2 value is 4, 0, 4, 0, 1, x3, y3 value is 0, 2, so 0, 2, 1. Now cross multiply the 2. So 2 4s are 8. So that becomes plus or minus 8. And now expand this determinant along the first row. So in that first element is k. K is in first row and first column. Delete the first row and first column elements. Remaining elements are 0, 1, 2, 1. So here 0 into 1, 0 minus 2 into 1, 2. And the middle sign is minus. And the second element is 0. So 0 into anything is 0. And the third one is 1. Sign is plus. So 1 into 1 is in first row and third column. Delete the first row and third column. Remaining elements 4, 0, 0, 2. So here 4 2s are 8 minus 0 into 0, 0. So plus or minus 8 equal to 0 minus 2, minus 2. So minus 2 into k, minus 2k. 8 minus 0, 8. 8 into 1 plus 8. We have to equate this equation into equal to plus 8 one time and minus 8 one time. So minus 2k plus 8 equal to plus 8, or minus 2k plus 8 equal to minus 8. So in first equation, plus 8 minus 8 get cancelled. So minus 2k value is equal to 0. So the k value is equal to 0. Or by second equation, so minus 2k is equal to, if 8 comes this side, minus 8 minus 8. Minus 8 minus 8, minus 16. So minus 2k equal to minus 16. So k value is equal to minus 16 by minus 2. So here minus and minus get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 8s are. So k value is equal to 8. So here k has two values, that is k equal to 0 and k equal to 8. So in area of triangle, 4 types of problems may ask. So that questions asked it for 2 marks. Directly they can ask to find the area of triangle, or to find the equation of line joining 2 points, or to find the value of k, or to find or to show that the 3 vertices are